Cortec Corporation is the global leader in innovative, environmentally responsible VpCI and MCI corrosion-controlled technologies for packaging, metalworking, construction, electronics, water treatment, oil and gas, and other industries. Our relentless dedication to sustainability, quality, service, and support is unmatched in the industry. ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 17025 certified. Cortec Cross, subsidiary of Cortec Corporation, located in Croatia, offers Bullfrog. Advantages of Bullfrog VpCIs. Fast, one-step corrosion protection. Easy and quick universal application. Multi-metal protection. Saves money and time. Ongoing protection. Invisible. For a variety of environmental conditions, effective protection against corrosive industrial, marine, and tropical environments. Protected items are immediately ready for use right now. Automatically self-replenishing. Health, safety, and pollution control. Does not alter most material properties. Desiccant action. Preparation of the ship for preservation on the dock. Remove the remaining dirt and grease from all surfaces of the yacht using Bullfrog cleaner and degreaser. Application of cleaner and degreaser by power washers. P equals 10 through 15 bar. T equals 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Dosage 20 to 30% cleaner and degreaser. Application, spray pattern. Application of cleaner and degreaser manually. Spray cleaner and degreaser on the surfaces that need to be degreased. Leave cleaner and degreaser on for 15 to 20 minutes to react with grease and then rinse with water pressure of 2 to 3 bar tap water. Removal of corrosion residues and protection. Handrail surfaces and other bright surfaces, if the observed corrosion in terms of tiny dots is present, treat with Bullfrog tool wipes. Corrosion should be removed from surfaces that are strongly affected with Bullfrog rust remover. After removing corrosion from the surface of handrails, spray with Bullfrog fast wax and rust blocker and polish it with a soft flannel cloth. If in the areas that are protected with coating and there is corrosion detected, treat them with Bullfrog Restorer. Remove loose corrosion products mechanically and then apply Restorer by brush. Dry film thickness is 40 to 60 microns. After the drying process of Restorer, 10 to 12 hours, apply the appropriate color. Spray all latches, hinges, metal cables, and elements that cause creaking with lubricant and rust blocker. Procedure for conservation of the ship equipment, and energy systems. Conservation of the ship's engine fuel system, lubrication, and cooling. Add additive Bullfrog fuel system in the amount of 2.0% of the fuel quantity in the fuel system. Add additive oil system in the amount of 2 to 5% of oil quantity in the lubrication system of the ship engine. Add Bullfrog cooling system additive in the amount of 2.0 to 2.5% of cooling liquid quantity into the cooling system. After the fuel additives have been added in the mentioned systems, turn on the engine for 10 to 15 minutes so that the added fuel additives evenly distribute among systems. Protection of electrical contacts and electrical boxes. Systems of external and marine signaling. All electrical boxes that are available for opening, not sealed, should be opened, and the electrical contacts should be sprayed with Bullfrog electric cleaner and corrosion blocker. Before closing the box, install a rust blocker cup or rust blocker strip in the box. Available electrical contacts that are not in the electrical boxes should be sprayed with Bullfrog electrical cleaner and corrosion blocker. Protection of anchor. Remove traces of water from the ship engine space. Electrical contacts on the ship's engine should be sprayed with electrical cleaner and corrosion blocker. Spray all metal surfaces, pipes, engine blocks, etc. with rust blocker. At the bottom of the boat engine space below the engine, install rust blocker shields, about 3 to 4 pieces. One rust blocker shield protects 230 I of closed space. Protection of tools. Tools should be wiped with Bullfrog tool wipes. Place rust blocker in the box and fishing boxes. One rust blocker sponge protects 28 I of closed space. Preparation of the ship for preservation on the dock. Place the ship on dry dock, position it, and remove algae and shellfish from the hull mechanically and by high water pressure. All of the steps already mentioned would be repeated. At the end, over the ship entirely with VpCI mill core shrink film. Covering needs to be performed so that water does not retain on the film which is covering the ship. A wooden or light metal wire construction can be made for this purpose. It is necessary to seal mill core VpCI film with tape, which will result in shaping and firming of mill core VpCI shrink film around the ship.